Hi everybody, Vermont Survival is here. Dude, like, no welding helmet fell down. That's pretty cool. So, sorry guys, it's been a while since I made a video. Work, son, work. Work, man. Freaking terrible. So anyways, probably like, dude, what the hell are you doing? My dark friend. Well, this is what I'm doing. I'm making, take a look at this. They're musket and gear stands. Yep. Hold on, let's see if I can grab one. There you go. There we go. I'm gonna grab a musket and show you how the bastard works. 61, fixed. Yay. There we go. Like that. Hold on. Hold on one. I remain speechless. So anyways, there we go. And today's video, well, is it on the M16? No, it's on, not on the M16 Alpha 1. It's on, what is it? What is this video on? It's just a range day. That's it. So what are we shooting? Well, we have the Springfield XD oldie but goldie. Oldie but goldie. Actually, this is a pretty awesome piece. I love Springfield XDs. So there we go. And this is a Ruger Max 9. That's what we're shooting. Max 9. I've never shot one of these, so I don't know anything about it, but it'll be interesting. Bill has.
It shoots nice.
Huh?
It shoots nice.
He says it shoots nice. So we're gonna find out. And there we go. So, welcome to range day. Decompression with a fucking flak vest and M1 helmet. So, what are we gonna shoot? I know. I'm gonna fuck it up with the XD. And our target right there. Wait, right there. So I shoot slightly different than most people. Most people stand still. I do not, which you are going to find out very soon. I don't like standing still at all. static target is a dead target. So here we go. Oh, fuck. Gotta get the rhythm. Ten shots. So that's generally how I shoot. I move and shoot. I constantly do it. I don't stand still. I never stand still. Unless I have to stand still. You know what I mean? If I'm in that prone position and I got that fucking very acceptable target, then I stand still. But on that though, dude, if I'm in a pistol fight or handgun fight, I'm not trying to stand still. You know? So there we go. Okay, so how did I do? I think I did pretty good. Roughly. Pretty good. Is this a Nam Air pistol? No. Why am I dressed up like Nam? I don't know. I'm bored, okay? It's pretty good. Look at that. Pretty solid center mass. I mean, can't complain, you know what I mean? So anyways, here we go again. We're gonna do a second mag. I'm gonna spray paint that, clean it up, start a clean slate, and then after that we're gonna do mag number 2. This time I'm gonna do a fast egress up. Okay.
I told him I was going to keep him busy all winter.
All right. So this is mag 2 off the XD. This oldie but goldie, man. And here we go. So I'm gonna do a fast egression towards the target. Why? Because we don't like standing still. Like I said, I like moving. So here we go. Fast egression to the target. I think I got, I'll see how many rounds I got. 15. Got 15 rounds. Let's see how I do. Pretty good. Oh, damn. So, oh, fuck. Pretty good. So, now I said fast aggression. You know, obviously you want to move at a moderate pace. You don't want to sit there and start running. Your accuracy will just go out the window.
Spray it.
Huh?
Spray it.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's go check out the target.
I want to see what this little one does.
Yeah. Next, we're going to be switching up to the Ruger. Just a small little fucker. And we'll switch up to that. Looks like I was trying to neuter the guy. pretty good for moving. So that's it. All right, so we're gonna spray paint the target, and then we're gonna switch it up. This is on the playlist next. Bill's gonna fuck it up. I personally never fired this before in my life. So this is the Max 9, Ruger Max 9. Ruger Max 9. So I don't know when I get a chance to shoot it, if I should shoot it moving or just stay still with it. You know what I mean?
It needs to be broken.
You want to take shots?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Bill's gonna. There we go.
Don't shoot like it.
Okay, so.
Shoots high and to the left.
Huh?
It shoots high and to the left.
I think it shoots perfect. So anyways, this right here, Ruger Max 9, my turn. Mike Twain. Ugh. Okay, let's see how good. I never fired this before, so if I start missing incredibly like I'm a newbie, don't worry about it, okay? Oh. Gotta clean up Bill's target. Stand by. Okay, target cleaned up. Let's have some fun. Safety check. Yep, we're good to go. Okay, here we go. So a gun can get it. So yeah, I like it. I'm gonna take another wing at it. You know what I mean? Why don't we go check out target first? Check out target. So there we go. I'm a little bit all over the place on that because you know it's a new thing, you know. But I'm hitting while moving, and that's a chore within itself. Oh, what? I didn't bring the paint. All right. So, anyways. I miss jumping out of planes. All right, so here we go. Oh my God, I miss it so much. You know, the whole time that was going on, I was thinking about that guy that sat there that watched Overlord and just lost his shit because there's a black paratrooper in there. That's who I was thinking about the whole time, jumping out of those planes, laughing my bag off. You know what I mean? Ultimate trolling right there. I just want that guy to know right now I was listening to the Overlord soundtrack. Just for you. So, but yeah. Okay. So why don't we do round 2? Round 2? Oh, this weapon is unsafe. Okay. Now we're safe. Oh wait, somebody was questioning the Steven Seagal type reload. You know, check-in. There you go, boss. You're good, you're good. Okay, so here we go. Ruger Max 9. Take 2.
I've been retired 17 years. I managed to retire at 55. I'm 77.
Oh, fucking A. So, I'm gonna shoot that little fucker again. I'm gonna go for distance this time. I actually want to see, I'll do 5 shots distance, see how well I do. I'm getting a pretty decent grouping, so that's good. I mean, if you can get a decent, awesome grouping while you're on the move, you're good to go. So I'm gonna try to shoot this on some distance here. See if I can get that distance. Distance shooting. Distance shooting. Huh?
I don't like hot brass.
You don't like hot brass?
No.
Yeah, you do. I fucking missed twice. That annoys me. It does. It annoys me when I miss. I don't like not missing. Dude. So, I missed twice. I'm not going to blame it on the shooter. All right? Because it's not the shooter's fault. It's the gun's fault. And the sun was in my eyes. And there's hurricane winds out here. So you can't, the bullets moving all around the place. And are you fucking kidding me right now?
Am I making fun of you?
This guy's missed more times. You know what?
Don't matter how many times I miss, as long as I get the guy.
Huh?
As long as I get the guy.
That's why they have extended mags. Right there. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna do 5 more shots. This time we're not gonna miss. Fucking hate missing. Oh. 5 more shots. We're not gonna miss. Oh wait, safety check. Oh, Steven Seagal it. There we go. Fucking missed again. I never used to be a perfectionist, okay? I'm like OCD with my shots. So I can't stop until I get all of them a solid, good effect on fucking target here. So we're gonna do another set until I can get all of them. All right? Because I'm not man enough. Okay, there we go, and all right, safety check, we're good. Here we go. About time. Now for a commercial. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Springfield XDM. Why did I do that? Hold on. Let's wait. Rewind. Okay, here we go. Springfield XDM. I'm gonna do a mag transition. 15 shots, and then mag change, and then engage target again. I wish I had like a threat thing, you know what I mean? Like somebody actually like shooting a paintball gun at me or something, you know what I mean? So then, you know, it adds that extra stress. But the stress is not to miss. That's the stress. So here we go. So we got 15 rounds, 15 XD. It just did it again. Hold on. Rewind. There we go. 15 shots. Here we go. Did it right this time. Let's do it. Bill, when I grow up, I want to be just like you. Ain't quite worked out the way I wanted it to. Safety check. Good. Actually, you know what? I want to see if I can plan it from here. You know what I mean? This far away. Fucker. Like, frustration. Okay, so now what do I do? Let's see here. Why don't we, do I continue on with the, what do we call it? I ought to mag dump the Ruger here. Mag dump the Ruger.
Thanks.
So Bill just got this thing, so he needs it brought in, so. There we go. I'm just gonna mag dump it.
Hold up. There's another one in the stock. You're making a mess.
Huh? There was no point to that whatsoever. I just wanted to see how fast the trigger was on it. Generally, you do that. Let's say somebody was, you know, coming through a door or whatever. There's like a group of motherfuckers. You just aim towards the door and just fucking dump it. Hopefully your dog don't go through the door. You know what I mean? But yeah. Okay, so now let's do. Let's do another mag dump, but this is off of one I can't show. So 9 mil. See, what he doesn't know is that the gun's empty. Oh, friends like me, you don't need enemies.